Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Handle life's twists and turns from the luxuriously comfortable cabin of this capable MKC. A compact SUV with a premium feel, the MKC leverages technology to optimize connectivity for the ultimate passenger experience. Prepare to fall in love with its powerful performance and distinctive lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to drive an SUV that's both capable and luxuriously comfortable. This MKC brings you that and more. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.